Hello friends, welcome back to our 30 days English speaking challenge. Today is 21 day and our topic is I love rainy season. In this lesson you will learn simple English sentences to talk about your favorite season, rainy weather and nature. These sentences will help you improve your spoken English and build confidence in daily conversation. Let's start today's lesson. My favorite season is rainy season. My favorite season is the rainy season. I like rainy season very much. I like rainy season very much. Rain makes the weather pleasant. Rain makes the weather pleasant. I enjoy watching the rain. I enjoy watching the rain. The sound of rain is relaxing. The sound of rain is relaxing. Rainy days make me feel happy. Rainy days make me feel happy. I love the smell of wet soil. I love the smell of wet soil. The trees look fresh after rain. The trees look fresh after rain. The rainy season brings greenery everywhere. The rainy season brings greenery everywhere. Farmer, welcome the rainy season. Farmer, welcome the rainy season. Rain is important for crops. Rain is important for crops. I enjoy walking in light rain. I enjoy walking in light rain. Children love playing in the rain. Children love playing in the rain. I like carrying a colorful umbrella. I like carrying a colorful umbrella. The weather becomes cool and refreshing. The weather becomes cool and refreshing. Rainwater helps plants grow. Rainwater helps plants grow. River and lakes fill with water. Rivers and lakes fill with water. I enjoy drinking hot tea on rainy days. I enjoy drinking hot tea on rainy days. I like eating snacks during in the rain. I like eating snacks during the rain. Sometimes I watch rain from my window. Sometimes I watch rain from my window. Dark clouds appear before rain. Dark clouds appear before rain. Thunder and lightning can be exciting. Thunder and lightning can be exciting. Rain gives relief from summer heat. Rain gives relief from summer heat. I like listening to music during rainy weather. I like listening to music during rainy weather. Rainy days are peaceful. Rainy days are peaceful. The sky looks beautiful during rain. The sky looks beautiful during rain. Birds enjoy the fresh weather. Birds enjoy the fresh weather. Rain brings happiness to nature. Rain brings happiness to nature. I love taking pictures of rainy season. I love taking pictures of rainy season. The rainy season is important for our country. The rainy season is important for our country. Fresh air makes me feel energetic. Fresh air makes me feel energetic. Rain makes the surroundings clean. Rain makes the surroundings clean. I enjoy spending time with my family on rainy days. I enjoy spending time with my family on rainy days. Rain is a gift of nature. Rain is a gift of nature. The rainy season makes everything look beautiful. The rainy season makes everything look beautiful. I always look forward to rainy days. I always look forward to rainy days. Nature becomes colorful during the rainy season. Nature becomes colorful during the rainy season. I feel relaxed when it rains. I feel relaxed when it rains. That's why I like the rainy season. That's why I like the rainy season. Today you learn useful English sentences about I like rainy season. Practice this sentence every day to improve your English speaking skills and fluency. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English. See you in day 22 of our 30 days English Week challenge. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.